started the day at Eagle Bluff, one of Joey's favorite lookouts in Shark Bay. He told us this cliff is one of the best places to spot marine life from above, and that if we were lucky, we could even see dugongs in the bay. And guess what? One came to say hi to us. After that, we headed to another secret spot for our afternoon session, a beach made entirely of tiny white shells. This back section of Shark Bay is almost twice as salty as the open ocean because it is shallow, evaporation is high, and there is very limited water exchange due to a natural sand and seaweed barrier.
Probably going to have to drive along the edge here to get back up again. So I'm going to try and swing it, back end up. So just, if you need to do anything, you can push from the front that way.
Okay. Okay.
Renee?
Yeah.
If you could do anything, you want to push from the front that way. So you're pushing me backwards. So I'm going to go backwards. I'm probably going to drop down to here. And then I'm going to try and steer up to the top. But I've got to get momentum to do that. Probably going to end up driving along the edge here. Oh, just because it's steep. Nice, well done. Good work, team. Well done. Bit of excitement.
The extreme salty water allows one species of cockle to thrive in the billions, and over thousands and thousands of years, their shells created these beaches and dunes. first time properly kiting by myself with the board, and I was completely stoked. The water was beautiful, I managed to do a few long runs and had a lot of wipeouts as well. With the heat and the extreme salty water, everything felt twice as exhausting. But finally putting everything from the lessons into practice felt unreal.
Well though.
It's alright, it's better than yesterday.
Much better.
Much better. I think I got like the strength that I need. You just like when you get smacked, like brains you
Yeah.
gain control.
Yeah. Today we're getting up from the beginning,
Least interested in school.
so saving energy.